In this video I'm going to show you how to get the latest Instagram update. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. To use new features of Instagram you need always have the latest version of this application, and to get the latest version the first way is to go to your App Store and check here if this button next to Instagram icon calls open. If it calls update, you need to tap on that button to update your Instagram application. But in some cases it may be situation when your Instagram here is up to date but you don't get new Instagram features, and now I'll show you what to do in that situation. You need to open up your settings, here scroll down, here select general, and there tap on iPhone storage. Wait for some seconds and then scroll down to find Instagram, select that, and here you need to use the offload app function to kinda force reinstall the Instagram application. If you use this function, you will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data like DMs, login information, and so on. So I just tap on offload app, confirm that action, and now I'm able to reinstall the app. Sometimes it may help you to get new features of Instagram. Just tap on reinstall app and wait until the new version of Instagram application will be installed. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.